Now that I have my cover slip and slide all ready to go, now I'm going to take it and use the microscope properly. So what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm on low power here first. I want to make sure that my stage is already at the very bottom that it can go. I'm going to move my stage clips out of the way. I'm going to place this over the light that you can see coming from the illumination, and I'm going to replace my cover slip so it holds the slide in place. From here, I'm going to be on low power, so I'm going to look through the eyepiece or the ocular, and I'm going to try and focus in on what I'm looking at. When you look in, again, you're going to see the pointer in there for this, and you can find the object that you're looking for. When you change power, you're going to rotate your nose piece into position. You're going to refocus, and again, just if it's really out of focus, you can use the coarse adjustment, but use it very, very slightly. The one that you want to use the most is your fine adjustment for what you're looking for. And then you're going to simply go to your high power for that, and that's going to put, if you can see it, it's going to put that right above the slide, which makes it, again, why we do not use the coarse adjustment, because you would break the slide and you would break the objective here, which is what we don't want to do. So once you're done, just go back in and use the coarse adjustment. Again, you do not want to move it a lot because it will move the focusing really, really quickly. Once you have your object in focus, you're good to go with looking at it, making your observations, doing what's being asked of you in the assignment as you go. So that is using the microscope properly for that section.